Ever left a mechanic shop feeling like your wallet just took a serious beating? You're definitely not alone in this frustrating experience. Every single day, thousands of unsuspecting people get hit with sneaky auto repair scams, paying hard-earned money for things they don't even need. Today, I'm blowing the lid off the 10 most common mechanic scams out there, so you are armed with the knowledge to never get fooled again. Alright, let's count them down from 10 all the way to the most outrageous scams out there. Number 10. Unnecessary air filter replacement. Ever had a mechanic wave a disgustingly dirty filter in your face, acting like your car's about to explode without a new one? Sometimes they're showing you one from a totally different car, or one they've deliberately dirtied up. It's a classic bait and switch. Check your manual. Many modern air filters last way longer than some mechanics might claim. Don't fall for the pressure. Number 9. Fake oil leak diagnosis. This one can really drain your wallet. Some less than honest shops love to sprinkle a little oil under your car, maybe even using a spray bottle, and then dramatically say, "Look, a leak, a major one." Always ask to see the problem for yourself, get down on the ground and take a look. And definitely get a second opinion from a trusted mechanic if you're not sure. Number 8. The "you need brake pads." Lie, a tale as old as time, or at least as old as disc brakes. The old "your pads are worn out" trick. Unless you're hearing those telltale grinding noises or feeling a soft, spongy pedal when you brake, you probably don't need new ones every single visit. Number 7. The transmission flush you absolutely don't need. Most cars only need transmission service once in a blue moon, if at all. If your mechanic is aggressively pushing a flush every single time you bring your car in, double-check your owner's manual first. Number 6. Charging for parts that were never actually replaced. This one's particularly sneaky and underhanded. You get billed, sometimes a hefty sum, for a brand new part, but your old worn-out one is still sitting right there in your car. Always ask for the old parts back. It's your legal right as a consumer, and it's a great way to keep mechanics honest. Let's dive into our countdown, starting with number 5. Scare tactics about engine issues. This is where they try to frighten you. Your engine's about to blow. Sound familiar? Relax. Take a deep breath. Sometimes it's just a faulty sensor or a simple loose wire causing the alert. Don't let them rush you into expensive, unnecessary repairs based on fear. Moving on to number 4, fake battery test results. This one can be quite sneaky. One minute your battery's perfectly fine according to them, and the next suddenly it's dead and needs immediate replacement. Don't fall for it. Get a second independent test at an auto parts store. Many offer this service completely free of charge. Number 3, the fuel injector cleaning upsell. Unless your car is genuinely running rough, experiencing misfires, or the manufacturer specifically recommends it in your service schedule, you probably don't actually need this service. Number 2. Overpriced shop fluids. Ever been shocked to find you've paid triple the price for coolant or oil compared to what you'd find at a store? Bring your own approved fluids if you're able to, or at the very least, always ask for a detailed price breakdown before they begin any work. And finally, our number 1 scam, wiper blades or bulbs overcharge. Mechanics might try to charge you an exorbitant $40 or more for wiper blades that you could easily purchase for just $10 at any auto parts store. Plus, these are incredibly easy to swap out yourself in just a few minutes with no special tools required. Now you know the common ways mechanics try to scam you, and more importantly, how to stop it from happening. If you found this information helpful and insightful, please hit that like button below, and subscribe to our channel for even more real and practical car tips. Drive smart and save money on those repairs.